Okay, we finished mixing the batter.
No.
Wrong.
Let's go.
Oh no. Oh no.
Now we're gonna keep eating.
Finger. Oh no.
From this.
Can we put this in the oven first? You're sick. It's all in your hair.
Lick me. Lick me.
Yeah, you guys are gross.
Watch out. Wait, could I do that?
Sharon, you didn't mix this at all. Like, I don't know if you know. I'm never letting you bake ever again.
Lick me. Like part of me.
Don't lick her, don't lick her.
She doesn't know. That's the grossest thing ever. Now eat it, sicko.
Okay, this is me washing myself.
You're gross.
Hold on, watch this. This is how I wash myself.